Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Scribblings of Life. And since the Christmas is coming, so a lot of gifts are going to be exchanged, and you are going to gift a few things to your loved ones. So I thought, why not share some a very easy gift tag tutorial this Christmas. So these are the three designs which we are going to make today as gift tag. You can easily put them on a gift as a tag and they will look beautiful, and obviously they are on Christmas theme, so they are going to look very pretty. So the requirement to make the project are as shown on your screen. You must be knowing that I am running a series on quilling snowflakes, so these are the last two videos which I have shared, so you can have a look at that as well. Now coming to our current project, we are going to require the slotted needle tool, tweezers, glue, and this circle template, which is an optional thing. Tweezer is also optional. Basic requirement is needle tool, glue, and strips. So these are must-haves. So in all these project, we are going to use the Christmas colors, which are red, green, white, and brown. So I'm using here all 3 strips. This is the first project which we are going to make, and this is a candy cane. So to make this project we will be needing these two colors, that is white and red, and I'm going to make tight coils out of it, and I'm going to use 3 strips. This white strip is 12-inch long, and we need to make tight coils, which is the very first basic step in the paper quilling. If you are new to quilling, you can refer to my old videos. There is a whole playlist on paper quilling basics, so you can learn the basic shapes. So this is a tight coil. Similarly, we have to make some white and some red tight coils. Since it is a candy cane, so all the uh, rolls are going to be of same width, so that's why I have taken same length for them. So this is how the red color is looking. Now once your rolls are ready, you need to take a small tag, which can be any paper, and just start pasting these rolls in the alternate colors. So depending upon your size of the roll and the paper, you might need 5 to 6 of each color, or maybe less or more. So it all depends how big your coils are and how big your paper is. On the back side of this paper you can write your wishes and just attach it while wrapping the gift wrap in a ribbon, and your tag is done. So very simple yet very beautiful gift tag is ready. You can punch a hole on the top corner and use it anywhere you want. This is the second project, and this is a very simple quilling tree. For that we will be needing green, brown, and red color. So to make this tree we need some 10 to 12-inch long green strip. You can use any shade of green, whichever you like. You can even mix and match the colors, and we have to make some loose coils out of it. So to make this particular shape, you can use, if you have the circle template, otherwise you can eyeball it and you can make these shapes. We need 10 of total these shapes because we are going to make it in the pyramid shape. So now I have taken the paper once my coils are ready, and we are simply going to paste these beautiful loose coils in a pyramid structure. If you are new to quilling, you can obviously refer my old videos, and there is a whole playlist on the basic shapes, so you can refer that, or you maybe you can contact me if you are interested in the paid classes. Okay, once the tree is ready, we are going to make the stem for it, and for that I am going to use a 12-inch brown strip, and we are going to make a square out of it, square, or you can say rectangle. So to make a rectangle, what we have to do is we have to create a tight coil, then loosen it up. Then we have to make this I shape, and then again we have to make the I shape in the opposite direction. So in this way, a square will be ready. Okay, and similarly we have to create one more, and again I'm going to show you how to create it, because in my experience people find this shape making a bit difficult. So this is how you are going to create a square. Glue the end of your loose coil, hold the strip from the center and pinch it like this. This is the I shape, and then pinch it in the 90-degree direction, and the square will be ready. So here I was trying to experiment like how to paste this uh, trunk. So initially, instead of pasting it normally, I tried to paste it diagonally, but it was not looking good, as you will see here. If you like, you may use this method as well, but I really didn't like it because trunk are never this way. So again, I corrected the orientation of the shape to make the trunk. So this is how a trunk is created for this Christmas tree tag. Now to give it a better look, I am going to use a red color strip. So this is a red color 3 mm strip which is 5-inch long, and I am going to create a tight coil out of it. You may or may not use it, it's totally on you. And I am just going to paste this here and there on the Christmas tree. It will give more Christmassy feel to this particular tag. So this is how this tight coil looks. You can paste it anywhere you want. 3 to 4 will be more than enough for this small tag. And yes, this whole video is totally in the real time, so you can enjoy it more and learn more out of it. So this quilling tag is also done. The third and the last design is this candle design, and for that we will be needing again some tight coils which is in white color, but this time these tight coils are 6-inch long. So to make this particular tag we need 10 of these tight coils, or maybe 12 depending upon how big your tag is. So can be 8, can be 10, any even number will work. So once your tight coils are ready, take your tag and just try to create a candle using these tight coils. So once this part is ready, we need to make the what should I say? I mean, wick, yeah, wick of this candle, and for that I used a red color strip, and we are going to make a teardrop shape out of it. So just paste it on the top of the candle. The third element that is going to be used in this tag is this green color strip, which is 12-inch long, and we are going to create banded teardrop using this shape. So again, make a teardrop just like we did before and bend it on the one side. So we need 2 of these or maybe 4 of these. It's your choice. You can use 4 and as well as 2. Now we are going to paste this banded teardrop below the candle, and the other two, if you are using, you can make them little bigger in the size than this one and just paste it beneath this green teardrops. Okay, so that will be another design. And then we had created the red tight coils in the last design, so similarly you have to create one more and just paste it in between these green teardrops. So the third design is also ready, and these are a very beautiful and easy Christmas tags which can be created in few minutes only. So I hope you like this video and you are going to make something out of it. If yes, you can share them on my website www.stepstowardscrafting.com on the community tab. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye bye.